Hey, this is Dutch Masters. I thought I'd give you a quick update on the most epic week that we have had this year. Tell you the 5 stocks that got us here this week, which are blowing the doors off for us, and then tell you what it is that we're seeing for next week. It is 5/19/23, so May 19th, 23. So we will start on the 21st. 22nd will be Monday, and we'll tell you the 3 stocks that we see in the sector that we see that you might want to be playing in, okay, for next week. Now, let me give you a recap of where we're at. Carnivore trading is up 109% year to date. We are up 37% month to date. What got us here? Okay, first thing was we identified that there was a breakout in the NASDAQ occurring. So we drove into the triple Q leveraged. It's TQQQ is the symbol. That was one of our large positions that we put on earlier in the week. We also, that is an ETF, by the way, which is done by Direxion. So the symbol's TQQQ. When then we hit 5 stocks, and I'm going to tell you what those stocks are. We hit GLBE, that's Global E Online. We hit Zion, which is a bank, okay, that has about 400 branches in the Western United States, 11 states. Symbol is ZION. We hit Upstart, UPST, and got a massive 26% return in a few days on that one. We hit Duolingo, DUOL is the symbol. And finally, we hit Technoglass, TGLS. They did a secondary offering overnight. It dropped the stock by the discount that was done in that offering, and we played that to purchase it low and played for the recovery, or what we call suck up the discount. They generally will suck up the discount on a growth stock like this when they've done one of those secondaries overnight. So what are we seeing now? What are we preparing for next week? Well, one of the stocks that we came into this week is CYBR. That's in the cybersecurity space, cyber software space. There are 3 stocks in that space that we like. Zscaler is ZS. The stock I just mentioned, which is CyberArk Software, CYBR. That has a little bit lower market cap and I think can give us a little more juice. So that's why we're playing that one. And then CrowdStrike, which everybody knows, CRWD. That's what we see kind of moving. Here we had a horrible day today. I mean, it wasn't down, but it was just one of those flat, boring, ugly days. If you look at a heat map, everything was gray on there. So that'll tell you that nothing kind of went anywhere up or down. But those stocks were building. Now, earlier in the week, I thought that the cybersecurity space was maybe giving us a head fake. But then when I saw that action today, I realized this might not be a head fake. Sometimes they got blasted, and sometimes they trade kind of sloppy. But take a look at those 3 stocks. That's Zscaler, CrowdStrike, and CyberArk Software for next week. This is Dutch Masters from Carnivore Trading. We are glad you're here. We hope you stay with us. We hope that you make a lot of money. We're killing it this month. Come to carnivoretrading.com. Get on board. Eat steak with us every night.